Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error 0x80070035 network share after update to Windows 11 24H2. Go to search menu and type group policy editor. Click on open the edit group policy. Under computer configuration, expand the Windows settings and expand the security settings and expand the local policies, the security options. Just select it. And on the right side, you just need to find Microsoft Network Client digitally sign communication always. Just double click on it. Set this value data to disabled and select the play and OK for save changes. And now you just need to go back and under computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates and expand this network. And under network, you can able to see landman workstation. On right side, enable insecure guest logons. Double click on it, set this to enabled and select the play it OK for changes. Now just to close stuff here and restart a PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Now for the level, guys, thank you.